I'm Tommy, and this is Sammy. We are so excited to have just arrived in the Philippines. After a long crowded shuttle ride, we arrived in the town of Port Barton, rented a scooter, and set out to explore. We visited the town, saw a beautiful waterfall, and relaxed on a secluded beach. Today we are heading out on an island hopping boat tour.
Going to Starfish Island. We're going to an island that you can swim with turtles, which I'm very excited about because I've never swam with turtles before. So that is on the agenda for today. It's gonna be great. My first turtle encounter. We're jumping in.
We are at Paradise Island. It is gorgeous.
Just relaxing.
And we have it all to ourselves, just our small group, which is so cool.
They take everybody to the same spot. So the first spot was Fun Reef and we snorkeled.
It was great snorkeling, lots of beautiful coral, lots of little fishes.
So many fish.
And the second spot was the Turtle Island. That wasn't so great.
It was a little fabricated.
Yeah, there's only like one turtle and there's probably like 30 people surrounding it. So it wasn't the experience we wanted.
Yeah, my first time swimming with the turtle. Not gonna count it.
Yeah.
We'll just pretend like it didn't even happen because I'm still waiting for that magical moment with my turtle. Yeah, we're about to go have a lunch that they're cooking up for us on the beach on the grill.
Looks like fish and chicken. We ordered the chicken and now I regret not getting the fish because it looks super fresh. They said they caught it in nets. I forget the name now, but it looks really good.
It does look good. We should have got that.
We're not sure our next stop, but far so great.
Yeah, hopefully Starfish Island.
Good, right?
It's good. Good. Ah! We're headed on to our next stop. This is our fourth stop that we've come to. They call it Exotic Island. Basically, we're like in the afternoon, right after lunch. I think all the boat tours kind of came here because everybody's here just chilling on the beach. There's like volleyball set up. People are just sunbathing, reading books. We have about 2 more hours left on the tour. The really cool thing was right before we came to this island, they took us to Middle Rock. I think it was called Middle Rock. And so it was like a rock near an island, but it was this just beautiful coral reef. And the coral was just it looked very healthy and beautiful. And there's tons of fish, starfish, sea anemones with clownfish. That was a really good snorkeling spot. After this, I think we're headed to Starfish Island. So far, so good on tour A.
All right, so we're back at our place now. The boat ride was very fun. We had one little accident at the end. It was my bad. I left the GoPro at the last island, which is called Exotic Island.
Yeah, we were already at the next destination, Starfish Island, which was so cute. Oh,
I wouldn't know.
So
what I did, I got back on the boat with 2 of the workers and we had to drive all the way back against the waves, against the wind, and my GoPro, luckily the guy there who kind of volunteers at the island, picked it up for me.
So we didn't lose the GoPro, which
Thank goodness.
Yeah.
My heart's still beating from it right now, but
yeah, the guys are super great. We gave them a nice big tip for doing everything.
they deserved it.
Yeah,
Gas money alone, you know.
Yeah, so we don't have any footage from Starfish Island because we didn't have any cameras or anything there.
My bad.
But the tour A, I mean, is a great tour if you come to Port Barton.
Yeah.
You get a little bit of everything: the reefs, the beach.
For the price, it was.
For the price, it's
Can't
like
beat it.
$24 a person, and it includes lunch.
And the best thing about it for me was just meeting all the different types of people.
It's always great when you can experience something and meet new people and become friends. We're gonna go meet them for drinks now.
Or you can talk, drink first.
Yeah, that's why I drink it first.